Greetings to you and welcome to my channel once again. You're so much welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will talk about this very discovery, which can say that most of the population of modern China owes its genetic origins to Africa. But if you would like to read more about this very information, I'm going to put the link of the write-up on the website at the description box. So you can go to the description box down there, click on the link, read about it, and you'll be able to discover more about this very information. This information was published by the Los Angeles Times on 29th of September 1998. Though the information is not all that new, 1998 is several years ago, but I thought I should share it with all of us so that we can also learn from it. So what matters is not how old or new an information is, but what matters most is how credible that information is. So in my channel, I make videos about the history of Africa, history of Africans, and at the same time, history of African Americans. So if you're interested in this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel. Now let's dive into today's video. This study was carried out by Chinese Human Genome Diversity Project, the Human Genetics Center, and the University of Texas Health Science Center at Houston. China is made up of 56 ethnic groups, but just one of them, known as the Han, makes up the bulk of the population, comprising about 1.1 billion people. The other 55 ethnic minority groups encompass about 100 million people spread throughout China. To study the diverse genetic inheritance of such an enormous population, the researchers used a special set of genetic markers called microsatellites. These extremely short chemical segments of DNA mutate very rapidly. That allows scientists to use them as signposts to mark how populations diverge or merge over time. The scientists looked at 30 such microsatellite markers across 28 of the population groups in China and then compared the pattern to 11 other population groups around the world. The research later came up with a conclusion that Chinese people are all descendants of a single population that may have migrated into China from Africa before humans learned to forge metal tools or use a written alphabet. At the end of the research, this was the statement that the scientists made. They said, "It is now probably safe to conclude that modern humans originating in Africa constitute the majority of the current gene pool in East Asia." The scientists say that prehistoric humans may have migrated east across Southeast Asia and then turned north to settle in China. There is also an idea by many anthropologists that the earliest ancestors of the human species evolved in Africa. They believe that humans may have migrated out of Africa in waves. They believe that more than 1 million years ago, humanity's primitive ancestors, known as Homo erectus, walked out of Africa to colonize Europe, the Middle East and Asia. Then several 100,000 years later, a second wave of more sophisticated tool-using humans migrated out of Africa and overwhelmed those earlier ancestors. Modern humans are descended from those sophisticated tool users. But other researchers dispute that idea. In their view, there was no second wave of migration from Africa. Instead, modern humankind evolved in China and elsewhere as colonies of more primitive Homo erectus intermarried in a global network of genetic relationships. Thank you so much for watching this video, but I have a question to ask. And my question is, do you think these ideas by these scientists are true? As for me, I believe that Chinese people may have African ancestry, but I don't believe that the earliest generation of human being may have evolved from Africa. I don't believe in the theory of evolution, but I only believe that one almighty God created humanity. But as for you may have a contrary opinion over this, I welcome your opinion and I would like to see your comments at the comment section. So whatever you think about this very information, just go to the comment section and leave a comment and I'll be there to give you a reply. So subscribe to my channel if you're interested in content relating to the history of Africa, Africans at the same time African Americans. So thank you and bye for now. See you again in my next video. Thanks and bye for now.